Hi, today mom is making her famous gulab jamuns. So she's put 200 grams of milk powder. She uses Nido and 100 grams of maida or white flour, and then this level teaspoon of baking powder.
Yeah. And mix
Mixing.
it up. Mixing. And it. About this.
Ghee is added, 1 tablespoon.
One more. Tin pan क्या
So we need about
बस
maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons as needed to make this into a nice dough. The mixing of the milk powder, the white flour and the baking powder and the ghee has to be done in this fashion, as you can see, with a lot of love and affection.
पतला गिला दो.
Water is added, small quantities, as you can see, and I've needed just to get to the right consistency of the dough.
Then she doesn't always put that.
You see that?
हाथ तो कहने सॉफ्ट करो. एक
You
लकीर
have to be pressed a little bit and get a very smooth dough.
हाँ प्रेस करके फिर.
Ball, I mean.
बहुत छोटे नहीं बनाओगे जी.
Water is added as needed, and the dough making process continues slowly and affectionately. So make the
दो कप.
balls for the gulab jamun in this manner. Separately, take 250 ml times 9, so that's 2.25 liters of water to make the sugar syrup, and this will take in 600 grams of the sugar, and this has to be boiled.
Will you write the recipe?
ये मैं ला जाऊँ.
So-
ले दे डॉक्टर.
The dough mixture is 300 grams and the sugar is 600 grams, just to give you a reference. These gulab jamun balls are fried on, just imagine the oil was heated and then the heat is turned off,
तो सेक
and now
जाता
they are getting fried. The trick in this is the heat has to be medium and the balls need to actually rise up as they are frying.
है. बनाए से ज़्यादा. ठीक है. आप पे होंगे.
The sugar and water mixture is put for boiling. So 600 grams of sugar and 2.25 liters of water. These gulab jamun balls, if they don't float, it means the mixture is not correct. So please throw it away and start again.
अच्छा. कितने के तो.
The balls will start to bloat up,
Question.
and the heat has to be actually low to medium.
वो थोड़ी
But
सी
see, at
गलती
this
हुई
point,
हमारी को.
the gas is actually off.
वो सेक ज़्यादा.
So this is the original size of balls. And they become literally double the size when they are fried on a very controlled low heat, and they keep
थोड़े
floating.
मोटे हो ही जा रहे.
When the when you feel that the heat
It's
has
too hot.
dropped, so switch on the gas again.
It should not be brown all of a sudden.
Yeah. So the browning process of the balls has to be very gradual and slow. And that's the trick. So now they have to be stirred around regularly or continuously
और एक
so
और
that they brown evenly on all sides. Again, guys, don't forget love and affection.
कैसे और भी देता है.
In Japna's sweet words, when these balls float, it's a sign of victory.
ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਦਾ ਇਹ ਚੱਕਰ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਾਹਤੇ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਹੋਰ ਕਾਲੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ
हाँ.
ਦੁੱਧ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਵਾਰ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਨੇ ਰਜੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਜਿਹਾ ਪਿਸਤਾ ਪਾ ਦਿਓ ਉੱਤੇ ਔਰ ਇਹ ਰਬੜੀ ਨਾਲ ਖਾਓ ਰਜੀ ਮੋਟਾ
The
ਹੁੰਦਾ
second lot getting ready. So as a tester, one ball has been put in and it has gone down to the bottom of the oil,
ਇਟ ਕਮ ਅਪ
and now slowly it should start floating up. And gas again at this
ਦੁਬਾਰਾ
point.
ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ
Gas is off.
ਚੁੱਕ ਗਏ
When the gulab jamun ball is frying itself, and when it's coming up, it actually should not be brown.
ਆ ਬ੍ਰਾਊਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ
Okay?
ਚਾਹੀਦਾ
The browning process starts after it
ਬਾਅਦ
floats. So this test has happened. Now the second lot goes. So the rest of the second lot has gone in, and the gas has been switched on
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ
at the lowest,
ਆ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਉੱਤੇ
and it will start floating up and up a bit.
ਇਹ ਵੀ ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜੇ
This is sugar syrup being prepared. That's the chashni, and 1/3 teaspoon of cardamom powder has been put in it also to give it nice flavor. And this has to actually boil quite well, so the sugar syrup becomes kind of thickish. And here you see the gulab jamuns have all,
ਛੋਟੇ ਬਣਾਏ ਨਾ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਵੀ ਫਿਰ
started to
ਵੱਡੇ
float.
ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ
and now you'll see
They're
that they'll
very
start
cut
to
one, yeah.
bloat up, and
They're also
also
very
they need to get browned at very very low heat. Okay.
ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ
The trick in this frying is that the heat management has to be gas off, gas on, gas off, gas on, so that you know the temperature that at which the gulab jamun balls are frying has to be managed. So you see how the gulab jamun balls are getting browned.
ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਇਕੱਲੇ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਫਰਕ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਪਤਾ
Second
ਨਹੀਂ
lot of
ਆਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ
gulab jamun,
ਨਹੀਂ
see
ਆਏਗਾ।
how
ਬਹੁਤ
well
ਸਾਰੇ
browned
gulab
they have
jamun
become.
ਹੈ ਪਤੀਲਾ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਨਕੇ से ਵੱਡਾ ਹੀ ਦੇ
So these gulab jamun balls have to be cold or cooled down completely, and they are placed in the sugar syrup boiling mixture,
ਕਾਫੀ ਹੈ ਚਾਚੀ ਰੱਜੀ
and you give it a boil. And once the boil is done,
ਤਾਂ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਨਾ
okay,
ਪੈਣ
then you're supposed to switch off the heat and full blast boil.
ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਐਦਾ ਚਲਾ ਚਾਚੀ ਪਈ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ
So the
But then
full, after the
Sharon-
full blast boil, the gas is switched off,
ਐਲੋ
and now it sits without removing the lid for about 6 to 7 hours. Alright guys, the moment of truth. Oh my god, the aroma is just mesmerizing.